Hey guys, it's Annie. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be reviewing the Wired Double-Ended Eyeliner and Top Coat by Urban Decay. This is what they look like here. And I've got a ton of these guys. So I believe this is every single shade that they have, but let me look that up real quick. Okay, yes, so it comes in 5 different shades. I'm so excited to try these, by the way. I haven't even taken these out of the box. I wanted to try them with you guys on camera. So one side of this is supposed to be a black liquid liner so that you can do a nice precise wing, and then the other side is a powder so that you can amp it up. Let's see, so the one I'm gonna show you guys right now is High Voltage Purple Shift and Black Eyeliner. Okay, so this is what it looks like out of the case. Okay, so this side is the black liner. So just like a standard black liner. So this is supposed to be a really long-lasting eyeliner. And then on the other side is where we have the powder. Okay, so it's like a sparkly powder that goes on top of the black. So it says that you're supposed to wait until the eyeliner dries first. So let's just try one of these out on our eye, and then I'll swatch all of them at the end with the powder on top. So I'm thinking, let's just do the purple one because I feel like that's gonna be the one that's gonna show up on my eye the most, don't you think? Or should I do the blue? Let's do the purple. All right, so we do the black liner first. I'm loving this eyeliner already. This just glides on perfectly, and it's like a matte black. That way it doesn't have that weird like vinyl look. I hate that look. I just think it makes your eyes look weird, but I guess it's just preference. All right, I'm gonna do the other eyeliner off camera since that one was like a nightmare to film. It's always hard for me to stay in frame while I'm doing that because I feel like I need to be like super up close to my mirror, but yeah. Okay guys, so this is eyeliner finished. I did it a little bit on the thicker side so that we would be able to see the powdered eyeshadow on top of it a little bit better. All right, so like I showed you guys, this just looks like a sparkly powder. So I'll show you again. It actually looks more like a pink sparkle than it does purple, but maybe over top of the black it'll look more purple. Okay, so it definitely gives you like a frosted wing vibe. But yeah, I definitely see what they mean by the purple. It does just look like a metallic purple. The only thing that I find is that it's hard to be precise with the top powder because of the, I can't even talk, my God. Because of the applicator, because it's more of like a little dome shape. So let me see if I can just clean this up a little bit with a Q-tip. It's definitely unique and it adds a really fun flair to your look. I mean, have you guys seen any other products like this? Because I haven't. I really like that. So I think I'm gonna leave the inner corner black just to give a little bit of dimension. But yeah, I'll do the other eye real quick off camera and then I'll be back to swatch the other ones. All right guys, this is the other eye done. I think I drew this eyeliner on a little bit thicker, but who cares? All right guys, let's swatch the other one. So let me take this off. Ooh, that took a little bit to get off the black liquid liner on my hand, which is a good sign. That means that it really is long lasting. Okay, so I just made 5 marks on my hand with the black liner since they all have the same black liner. And then I'll just wait for these to dry down and then we'll put the powders on. All right guys, so this first one here is the Purple Shift. I have like eyeliner on everything right now. This next one is Amped, which is more of a pink. So this one is less of a glitter and more of like an iridescent pink. That purple, by the way, is actually called High Voltage. I don't know why I thought it was just called Purple Shift. This next one is Fuse, which is a green shift. So this is the same thing as the last one. It's more of an iridescent and not a sparkle. Sparkle. I really like that one. This next one is called Circuit, which is a gold. So that's like an iridescent gold powder. I really like that shade too. This next one is called Charged. So this is a blue shift. So this one is iridescent as well, but it definitely has more of the sparkles that the first one that we tried did, the purple shift. That is on the end there. So you can really see that sparkle in there. I would say the middle three are more of a metallic, and then the two ends are more of like a sparkle formula. I feel like this product is perfect for the summer. I could just really picture like a nude or neutral eye and do a really thick black wing and then top it off with one of these shades here. That would be the best way to represent these. With other eyeshadow colors on there, it kind of gets lost a little bit, but let me know what you guys think of them. I think they look nice. I think they just add like a little bit of oomph, you know? A little bit of something. But let me know what you guys think of these liners in the comments down below. And in the next video, I'm going to be trying out the Wired gel-on eye pencils. So I'm going to be using these from my waterline, and these come in so many fun shades, so you guys aren't going to want to miss that video. If it's already up, if you guys are watching this video a little bit later, I'll include it in the description down below. But yeah, if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. That really helps me out. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos from me, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Okay, so I'm still here. Off camera real quick, I was like, you know what? The ends of my wings are looking a little like they're blending in too much, so I decided to outline them, and it gave it this really nice like graphic eyeliner look. So yeah, you can always do that too if you feel like it's blending in a little bit too much, but I really like that. Okay, now I'm really gone.